What's good, YouTube? This your boy, Ghostwriter 2Ts. You know I'm back with another informative video, and today I'm getting back to finding some more headsets for you guys. I mean, this one seems really nice. Okay. I thought that it opens up from the side, but maybe, okay, maybe it don't. Okay, but we're gonna get right on into it. It's the Celltronix TWS pods. They're true wireless earbuds with charging case. Their Bluetooth capability, premium sound, hands-free calling, and USB charging. Shows a little guy on the side, so you kind of know what to look for. And I'm gonna tell you right away, these were $20. So if you're looking to spend on a budget, these are it. I actually already did wire these and try these on and see that I like them. I don't particularly like them, but there may be people out here that have better ears that are not weird like mine that want these. So on the back it says that it is Bluetooth 5.0. Wow. Hands-free calling, talk play time 2 hours, charge time 2 hours, standby time 20 hours, earbud battery 40 milliamps, operating distance is 10 meters, which is 10 foot. Frequency is 20 hertz to 20 kHz. Input is 5G 300 milliamps, and sensitivity is 103 dB plus 3 dB. It says it includes wireless earbuds, micro USB cable, and charge case, and it actually has extra earbuds on the inside. So let's get right into the unboxing. Before we get into this unboxing, hit me with a sub, hit me with a like. I've been getting a lot of, dude, I don't know in the direction of my channel exactly what way to go. There's so many avenues. I think I can experience them all. But you guys are been tearing up the like button and the sub up button, and I'm gonna be doing a giveaway when I reach 3,000. I'm gonna be doing a $100 giveaway, and I hope all you guys participate, because I be doing the giveaways and I don't think people think they're real or what, because I've done them in the past and people just either live in another area or another state or something, and it was issues. I don't know why, but we're gonna get right into the unboxing. It just opens on the top. Wow, everything's falling out. Well, there's a USB cord. Here's the extra little packagings. My daughters and my wife are being so quiet right now. I appreciate them for letting me make this video real quick. And when I get my new house, I'll be doing a gaming setup, and I'll have a whole area where I don't have to shush them no more, and they can be clean across the room around the corner, and it's gonna be awesome. You can see it comes with a little manual just giving you information. This is what it comes like. It's a tad bit bigger than an Apple iPod case, but it looks stupendous. You can push a little button right here in the front. Boom. And it brings on the two LEDs showing it's fully charged. I'll actually show you the back of it. It shows where it actually lights up. That's something that iPods can steal from users, that people who make stuff like this, you can get this idea from them. Light up that, so when you're in the dark, you can see where to plug this in at. That would help so much, man. You see, if you open them, I got a nice little snap. You hear that? A nice little snap. You take them out. It does say right and left on the front of these. Down in the front, it'll say right and left. You can only put these in one way, so there's no way to mistake them. My daughter, as soon as she saw these little police lights, which is how you actually get it to turn on. When she saw those, she said, "Oh no, I can't have those lighting up with the blue and red lights." I'm like, "Sierra, it's only long enough for you to ignite them." She's like, people gonna know. I don't know what people so mesmerized about getting AirPods, and I try to make a way for you guys to get a budget pair of AirSets that work for you guys, and boom, you put them in. See what it looks like on my ear. my kids think that they're way too big when the AirPods are like maybe only probably a 1/4 inch off of this and not as thick around the ear. But that, what I will say is the AirPods have mastered their AirPods and just made them even better and better. Now their newest ones look bulky like this, and they're really loud from what I hear, but they're ugly looking. Those things look like an alien. I don't like them. Hope y'all like my alien shirt. You see the, yeah, young Yodi. But yeah, that's it for this unboxing. It ain't really long. I didn't want to take much time to most of my videos for my analytics been showing me about the first 2 to 3 minutes. So hopefully I kept you entertained this entire 5 to 6 minutes, long enough to do this unboxing. I hope that I wasn't annoying, my voice wasn't annoying, and I got my point across to you guys. I hope that you like these. Where you can get these, once again, you can get these at Rudders is where I got mine from. I'm pretty sure there's other places, because this marking looks kind of like it might be from Boost, so I don't know. Maybe you can check a Boost store, but I know for sure I got mine from the Rudders that sells food and snacks, and pretty much they do gambling. They got everything in the Rudders just now. But the Rudders farm, if you have one of those in your state that you're in. If you don't, you could probably check Boost Mobile, because I know this is one of their insignias that they have. So maybe check Boost Mobile, but I'm for sure Rudders, and it was $20. It's very affordable, pretty snazzy. You probably have to be careful with the case top, because eventually I'm pretty sure it will break here. So that will be the worry. All right. I hope you guys enjoy this. I didn't want to keep you any longer. It's your boy Ghostside2Ts. Make sure you go down in the comment section. Let me know if you got you a pair of these bad boys. Make sure you like, sub, share. It's your boy Ghostside2Ts. I'm out.